Hello, guys. How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing? And welcome, welcome. So, we are just waiting for a couple of folks so we could get the show on the road, so we could get this started. And so, as you guys know, you know, I don't plan on being here for long. Give me 1 second. Give me one brief second. Sorry, guys. So, like I said, you know, thank you guys. Thank you all for being here. So, thank you all for being here. Thank you. I would say about 15 minutes or so. 15 minutes or so is my timing. And within that 15 minutes, I do plan on delivering the message that I want to deliver to you guys. So, guys, I want to talk to you guys about real estate, insurance and finance, and healthcare. As you guys know, this is the start of the year. So, if this is your, by the way, if this is your first time for being here, definitely subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. Thank you so much for being here. Number one, and it helped me share this out with your friends, your family members, whoever that you guys may have that's in your circle, whoever that's that's so so yes, like I said, I definitely do appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and thank you guys for being here. And if you are a returning person that's watching the channel, don't forget to help me to thumb it up. Definitely thumbs this up for me. Definitely appreciate it. Thank you so much. And like I said, guys, you know what? What I want to talk to you guys about is real estate, insurance, and finance, as I mentioned. And thanks to every single one of you guys that's in here right now. So why don't I get the show going? Why don't I get started so that you guys could start to get this information. Some of these folks that's coming in a little bit will definitely get it as well, and they could always watch the replay. So what's happening? The one thing that's happening right now is it's the beginning of the year, and this is the time that if you plan on if you plan on watching of what you're doing for the year, this is the time to plan that out. This is the time to get it started. This is the time that you should definitely take a look into what you're doing. So if you've been trying to get some properties under your belt, if you've been trying to do some stuff as far as investment properties or your own personal property, now this is the perfect timing. The market is booming. The market is definitely exploding. There's no better time than this. Some folks might say, this is not such a great timing for real estate, but I have to disagree. This is one of those times when it comes to real estate that is booming. The market is moving. The market is booming, and there's a time that banks is going to give you funding to get that property, as long as everything else falls into line. So I truly believe that there's no better timing than this. There's no better timing than this. There's no better moment. So if there's any time that you planning on getting real estate, you planning into getting into investment or anything like that when it comes to real estate, this is a perfect timing. This is your time. This is your moment. I don't think there's a better moment than this. This is actually a perfect moment for you to do so. So if you if you also looking into what you have provided into as far as when it comes to your work, as far as your benefits, this is also the time. Is the beginning of the year, is the time that you should be looking into any kind of benefits that you have. you know we need to start projecting for the future. We need to start looking at ahead of what we are doing. You see what I'm saying? So when we're planning on looking at things, looking for the future, we got to start now. If you don't start now, it's just, I'm sorry, starting later is costly. Why start later when you could start right now? Guys, the way I think about it, the way I see it, the sooner you start, the better that it's gonna be, the better that it is for you. You know, no matter what you're doing in life, if you're planning on getting ahead, it's better to start early. Like they say, the early birds get the worm. If you're gonna wait for later, it might just be a recipe for disaster. As you know, the younger you are, the better you are. The younger you are, the more fit that you are. So this is definitely the best timing for you to get anything done of what you've been planning on getting done. So, you know, like I said, when it comes to looking at that, this is the best time. Another thing, guys. So 2020 just happened. 2020 just happened, and it was a tough year for a lot of folks. It was a tough year for myself. It was a tough year for many businesses. This is the time we should take and start looking at, what are we planning on doing for 2021. Many folks is running out there without no life insurance, and tragedies happen. Don't let yourself be caught up in a tragedy to where your family members is the one that has to deal with the end of it, all because proper planning was not in force, was not in place. If no one ever spoken to you about life insurance, securing your income, I would like to take the opportunity to explain it to you. So if you ever have any question, if you're watching this replay, comment down below so I can help you. If you're having complication of understanding how to buy your first home, or you already own your first home and you would like to have investment properties, or you planning on having investment properties but don't really know how to go about it, or don't have someone to help to show you the route, I would like to help you. I would like to sit down and properly help you and show you how, to go about getting the things that you want in life, to go about getting the things that you desire. That's going to help you to move forward. Another piece, guys, which don't get me wrong, I'm gonna come back and touch base on some of those pieces before I leave. Like I said, I don't plan on being here for too long. I'm not gonna be here for an extended amount of time. So here's something to really look at, something to really think about. There's many folks that have complication, that have situation when it comes to Medicare healthcare. Many folks don't understand exactly what Medicare is, how to navigate it, how to go in and out when it comes to that. If you are having complication with Medicare, if you don't understand what Medicare really is and can't really grasp your mind around it, don't fight and struggle with it. Allow me to help you. Allow me to explain to you what Medicare is, and allow me to help you to choose the right plan, the plan that's right for you. Many folks are hurt. Many folks are being hurt. many folks are not in the right plan. Many folks are not are not in the plan that they should be on, and because of that, they are hurt. They are suffering, and they just don't understand why certain things is not how it's supposed to be, they would like it to be. If that's the case, allow me to help you. I want to help you. Don't feel like you have no one to turn to with dealing and battling with the understanding and navigating Medicare. Medicare is a complex system. It's very complex. Not trying to scare you, but it's very complex. You know, you have part A, B, part D, part C. You have Medicare Advantage, Medicare Supplement. So many to deal with. And don't get me wrong, I don't fault you for not knowing and understanding the ins and outs of Medicare. I don't. It's not your fault. You're not in the arena of healthcare. You're not in the arena of Medicare to deal with it, to understand the language, to understand, the lingos that goes around it, to have it wrapped around your brain. I don't fault you for that. And that's where you have me. Rely on me, fall on me. Let me be the one that guides you and help to navigate you through that. Okay? I would like to be the one that helps to navigate you through getting something like that taken care of. So apart from that, guys, like I'm telling you guys, if your plan is to get your dream home, and you already have your dream home, and you would like to get additional houses, I would like to help you. If you are selling your home and want to have the right representation and to have quality representation, then I would love to assist you. I would love to help you. I want to sit down with you. I want to have a conversation. I want to talk to you. This is the new year. The year just started. The year just began. 2020 was a tough year. Let's not make 2021 a hard year, all because you don't have no one to assist you in what you need. Looking at your employee benefits, you need someone to help you navigate. Lean on me. You need to see the ins and outs. I would love to assist you. You having complication understanding Medicare. I would love to explain Medicare to you. I want to help you understand it. I want to help you grasp these things. So don't feel that you are alone when it comes to those kind of things. Look at me as your best friend. Think of me as your best friend because I'm on your side. I am on your side. And like I said, if anyone have any questions, comment down below. If you're watching a replay on this, comments down below so I could receive the comment, so I could find out how to best to help you. If this is your first time of being here, if this is your first time of being here, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel so I could know how to help you. All right? Subscribe to the channel. So therefore, I'll know exactly what, so you could continuously to get updates. So you could continuously to get the things that, that fuels your brain, fuels your mind. Allow me to bring those things to the table for you. Don't worry about those things. Let me do it for you. Let me be the one that bring it to you. Help me share this out. Send it on your social media pages. So, guys, I want to thank you. I want to thank every single one of you guys. I want to say thanks to everyone that's watching. I appreciate you. If you have any comments, any concerns, definitely comment down below because I definitely want to assist you. I definitely want to help you. I don't want you to go to sleep worrying about things that you should not be worrying about. I don't want you to go to sleep thinking about things that's really you shouldn't really be concerned about. So, which is why I'm saying to rely on me. Let me help you. Okay. So, guys, like I said, I don't plan on being here for too long. Thanks to every single one of you guys that's watching, that's here, that's here with me. I definitely appreciate every single one of you. And if this is your first time of being here, as I mentioned, I definitely recommend this channel as a channel to get great information from, powerful information. This is a powerhouse. There's a lot of great things on here. This is the place where you would want to be. Okay, so definitely subscribe, share this out with your friends, and I'll speak to you guys soon again. And as I mentioned, if there's ever any concern or anything like that, feel free. Feel free to reach out. Feel free to discuss whatever comments or whatever that you're going through. Because I want to be able to help you. I want to be here for you. All right. Have a great one. All right, guys. It was a pleasure. Okay. And there we go. All right.